What if I told you that you could start making real money online by building professional websites for clients on Fiverr, even if you've never written a single line of code? Imagine launching a freelancing business where you don't need years of experience, expensive software, or a tech background. In 2025 and beyond, freelancers are using AI-powered website builders to create stunning, fully functional websites in just a few hours, and getting paid anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per project. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can use AI to create websites and sell them on Fiverr, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive in. Let's start with why AI website creation is such a goldmine for freelancers right now. Small businesses everywhere need websites. It's not optional anymore, it's essential. But here's the thing. Most business owners don't want to learn WordPress, mess with hosting, or spend weeks figuring out how to get their site online. They want results, and they want them fast. That's where you come in. With the right AI tools, you can generate full website layouts, write all the copy automatically, design pages that look professional, and customize branding in minutes. The best part? You can deliver projects faster than ever, which clients absolutely love. When you combine speed and quality, you'll climb Fiverr's rankings and keep clients coming back for more. So, what are the AI tools that make all this possible? Let's break it down. First, there's ChatGPT. This tool can help you generate website copy, structure, and content tailored to any business or audience. Next, you have AI website builders like Durable AI, Wix ADI, and Framer AI. These platforms let you create entire websites instantly with just a few clicks. If you want more flexibility, you can use WordPress with AI-powered page builders, which are both powerful and client-friendly. For visuals, Canva AI is perfect for creating logos, graphics, and other design elements. And if you want to offer premium, custom images, tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can generate unique visuals that set your websites apart. Remember, you're not replacing creativity, you're accelerating it. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of creating a website with AI. First, start by asking ChatGPT to create website copy for your client's business. For example, you might say, create website copy for a bakery targeting local families. ChatGPT will generate headlines, about sections, service descriptions, and more. Next, use an AI website builder to generate the actual site. Most builders will instantly create a homepage, about page, services page, and contact page based on the information you provide. After that, it's time to customize the branding. Add your client's colors, upload their logo, choose the right fonts, and insert relevant images. In just 2 to 3 hours, you'll have a complete, professional website ready to deliver. But building the website is only half the battle. To actually get clients, you need a Fiverr gig that stands out and converts. Think of your Fiverr gig as your storefront. It needs to grab attention and clearly explain what you offer. Your gig title should be simple and benefit-driven, like, I will create a professional AI-powered website for your business. Make sure to include before and after samples, clear package options, fast delivery times, and simple language that anyone can understand. Start with 3 packages, a basic 1-page website, a standard 5-page business site, and a premium package that includes a full website plus branding. Remember, clients care about results, not the technical details. When it comes to pricing, don't make the mistake of underpricing your services. Instead, price smart. For beginners, a basic package might be $75 to $100, a standard package $200 to $300, and a premium package $500 to $1,000 or more. As you build up reviews and a portfolio, you can raise your prices. Many top Fiverr sellers are earning $5,000 to $10,000 per month using AI-assisted website creation. Delivering fast is your secret weapon for getting 5-star reviews. Always aim to deliver early, ask simple clarification questions, provide a short tutorial video to help clients use their new site, offer 1 free revision, and communicate clearly throughout the process. AI allows you to deliver in days instead of weeks, and Fiverr rewards sellers who are quick and reliable. Once you've mastered this process, scaling your freelance business becomes much easier. You can reuse templates, build niche-specific sites, offer monthly maintenance, upsell SEO or content updates, and even run multiple Fiverr gigs at once. This isn't just a side hustle, it's a real online business. Here's the big mindset shift. You're not just selling AI websites. You're selling solutions. Businesses want visibility, credibility, and customers. AI is just the tool, you are the service. So, that's how you can use AI-powered website creation to start selling on Fiverr, even if you have zero tech background. Like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because freelancing in the AI era isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Build faster, sell smarter, or more.